Hey everybody, this is Jeff at Long Doggers. I'm here at Long Doggers Vieira, and we're going to show you all about our scampi kit, our seafood kit that comes with the pasta. Only we're going to do something totally different than we did the last video. So we still got all the same great stuff. We've got mussels, we got clams, we got linguine, we've got great big jumbo shrimp. Look at how big these shrimp are. They're absolutely huge. We've also got a scampi butter for you that you can do all kinds of different things with. Right? So what I did was I opened up these mussels and these clams. I put them in this bowl right here. And we're going to show you a whole different application of what you can do. So I've got a hot saute pan. We're going to do some olive oil. I went ahead and chopped some onions. I used an onion like this. If you don't have an onion that's this small, you can use one that's a little bit bigger. So we're going to saute some onions. Right. We're going to add kosher salt to that to make sure that they sweat. That helps them let go of some of their liquid. After that gets going for a minute, we're going to add some garlic. Little orlap. Right. I'm going to add some fresh cracked pepper. And then it's time for our seafood to go in. We'll add the shrimp. And these only take a couple minutes to cook. This is so fast. So while we're doing this and this is cooking, I'm going to show you, starting next week, we're going to have some awesome French bread available to you. We might get out there sooner if we can, but this is great. It comes in par baked. And it's going to come in bakery bags that look like this. And all you're going to have to do is to be able to go in and cook it for 8 minutes, and you're going to have this beautiful bakery bread that cracks. It's got this beautiful crust on it. And what I did was I went and I made some crostinis out of it that we're going to serve with this pasta. Okay, so the shrimps are going. We're going to go ahead and add some of our clams and mussels. And we'll do this all. I'll show you what we're going to do with it. So we've got everything in here cooking. We're going to add some of the juice for the clams and mussels. If you want to add a little wine in here, that's great. So what I'll show you while this finishes up is I've got some crushed tomatoes. Nothing fancy. I don't have to buy any jarred sauces or anything else like that. This is going to go and give us a whole different kind of dish than what we made last time. And I want everything to kind of cook together. So I'm going to add these crushed tomatoes. I got about 8 ounces in here. And I don't want like a real thick sauce, like tomato sauce. I want something that's still kind of light. So we got this, it's all cooking down, we're getting that beautiful sauce, all that flavor in it. And what I went ahead and did was I cut some French bread into crostinis, and I'm going to use this scampi butter, and I'm just going to spread it on. And then these guys can go right over to the grill. They can go in your oven, they can go in a saute pan, or if you have a little flat top grill. And when they're done, they're going to look just like that. Right, so we got awesome flavor with that garlic, with that butter. Just like we did last time, I went ahead, I pre-cooked some pasta because it's easy. Maybe I had it in my freezer. We're going to heat it up in this little strainer. This is just how we do it in the restaurants. Right? So it's a perfect portion. We're going to take some of our awesome seafood. I don't want to skimp out on that sauce because I want to have that bread that I can dip in later. couple little baguettes, little crostinis. Right there, you've got the same, you got something completely different right here from our Long Doggers meal kit. Get all the seafood that you want. You can do anything that you want with it. It's all up to you. I'd love to hear some of your recipes. Put them back on the page. Remember, stay local. We'll see you at Long Doggers.